What up guys, it's Asi and here I am with my cousin, Sandra. We are currently making chocolate covered strawberries and she's showing me how she does it. So you obviously need some extra virgin. Anyways, feel free to just leave a comment or something to let us know what we could work on to make it better, right?
Yeah, maybe we can start off by letting what kind of chocolate and everything.
Yes, especially like what kind of chocolate you guys recommend we use and what.
No, what we use.
So this is the type of chocolate that my cousin's using. It is Nestle Toll House milk chocolate. So you stir until you see that the chocolate is fully melted, right? Mm-hmm. So the next thing you need is a toothpick. Alright, show me your magic. What you do? What did you do there?
Stick the toothpick in the strawberry so we can get a better grip of it. And we just dip it in.
Shouldn't the strawberry be covered fully in chocolate?
What do you mean? It is. I feel like people do it differently.
So
I like it se ve un poco rojo.
Are the strawberries that have been covered in chocolate so far. And there she goes, doing her magic again. Do your magic, do your magic.
Look at this beauty right here.
And also, when you wash the strawberries, you have to make sure that they are fully dry, because if they're not dry, what happens?
It just messes your chocolate.
And you don't want that to happen, so you gotta make sure they are fully dry. This is my first time doing chocolate covered strawberries. I never did it, so this is how I do it. Voila, we have my strawberry.
You suck.
Okay. She already fucked up. What are you doing? Ooh. Oh. Okay. Okay, I see what you did there. So, the strawberries are fully done. We need one more box. Nope. So we're not done, so she's opening another bag of chocolate chips to make more chocolate because we gotta do these strawberries. Okay, so once you guys are done with the strawberries, you have to make sure they go in the fridge so that the chocolate can get hard. What were we gonna say?
Since we have extra chocolate, we're gonna make marshmallows.
Hey. But that's how you make chocolate covered strawberries. So if you guys have anything, make sure you comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you guys check out my other videos as well.